Hey, Mike here with Riverview Turfworks. I'd like to take a couple of minutes and go over our landscape lighting service with you. Landscape lighting is a great way to add depth to your property while also adding a sense of security at night. We use these high quality, solid brass light fixtures. They come with a long stake to keep them in their correct place in the ground. This light here is what we call a path light. They're most commonly used to light up sidewalks, driveways, and things of that nature. But we also use them to accent your flower beds. When we use a path light in the flower beds, they help create depth, which really sets your landscape apart from others. These lights right here, they're what we call up lights. They get that name because they're always pointing up. These lights are commonly installed right at the edge of an exterior wall to help create that super cool washed out effect of the light illuminating the side of the home. We also use them to light trees, large shrubs, and flags. When we light trees, we always prefer to use two lights, one at the front, one at the back. However, if you have budget restraints, we'll do one fixture per tree with a brighter bulb, and you will still be super happy with the results. These are low voltage LED lights, which translates to low power consumption. There isn't any need to worry about landscape lighting jacking up your power bill. The average lighting install uses less power all night than your typical fridge does in 2 hours. These lights are all hardwired to a transformer that we usually mount on the side of your home near an existing power outlet. The transformer plugs into the outlet so there is no splicing or hardwiring into your existing electrical system. The lights will use a dusk to dawn sensor to turn them on automatically with sunset and turn them off automatically with sunrise. It's truly an install it and forget it system. Once everything is installed, there isn't a lot of maintenance that needs to be done, but we do offer a yearly maintenance package. This includes us coming by to make sure the system is operating correctly. We will replace any burnout bulbs, we will clean the fixture and the dusk to dawn sensor lenses. We will re-aim the lights if necessary. Our most typical lighting install is a 12 light install. These usually run around $3,950. If that's out of your budget, I totally understand. Our minimum install includes 6 lights for $2,500. You know, we can create a pretty big difference with a 6 light install. We usually highlight the corners of sidewalks and illuminate the house walls, which is just enough to make your neighbors jealous. Lighting is one of those things where the possibilities are endless. If you have something in mind, we can definitely make it happen for you. Not only will this make your neighbors envious of your nightscape, it will add some peace of mind knowing that you can always glance out the window to see your illuminated lawn when you hear a noise at night. We will be with you throughout the entire lighting experience from the moment of first contact to years after the initial install. Whether it be adding onto your system, warranty issues, normal service, or just coming by to check out your awesome lights. We're here to serve you. Without you, we are not here. If you'd like a landscape lighting quote, all you need to do is click the free estimate button on our website. Someone will contact you very shortly, get you going on that. Thanks, have a great day.